Good day, Lucinians. I'm Engine Cadet Naum.
I'm Engine Cadet Tabella.
I'm Engine Cadet Berdin.
I'm Engine Cadet Lahoy Lahoy.
And today, we're going to talk about the importance of math, science, and technology. Physics is an exciting and essential science that helps us understand the world around us. Physics is extremely important because it underpins many other scientific disciplines, including chemistry, biology, and engineering, and even computer science. Example, when you push a car, it involves projectile motion and the forces of gravity and air resistance.
What is equilibrium? Equilibrium, in a general, is a state of balance or stability in a system. It also across various fields like physics, chemistry, economics, and other disciplines. First is a chemical equilibrium. The second is economic equilibrium. The third is mechanical equilibrium. This is an example of balance or stability.
Force is basically powerful which acts on object or energy as an tribute of physical action or movement. So, motion. Motion is an object moves from one place to another.
Hello, Yosinians. I'm Engine Cadet Olasiman. I'm discussing Fluid Statistics Module 8. Fluid statistics to the studies, fluids, rest, forces acting on them. It involves analyzing fluids like liquids and gases when they are not in motion or are in state of equilibrium under the influence of gravity, forces, motions, and air. Like for example, fluid statistics. That's we call buoyancy. This boat represents buoyancy.
Heat is a transfer of thermal energy between two systems due to temperature difference. Nature. On the other hand, is a measure of average kinetic energy of particles in a substance.
Bet pala ko, kaya pala low